Welcome to KNUST News App. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a helpful update. In today's video, we are walking you through how you can apply to KNUST, whether you are a first-time applicant or just need clarity. This guide here got you covered. Let's get into it. You open any browser of your choice, then you search apply at KNUST admissions or apply at KNUST. Any phrase containing admissions and KNUST will get you to that site. So you check the first link, you see we have admission and apply right in the URL. So you can choose whether the admission portal or purchase e-voucher and apply. Any of them will bring you to this site. When you come here, if you already have an account, you go straight to login. But if you don't have an account, then click on purchase e-voucher and apply. This link will take you to the sign up page. At the sign up page, you provide an email and your phone number, and also create a password to register an account with KNUST admission portal. After filling in with your details, you make sure you tick I'm not a robot checkbox before you click on register to register your account. After registering, an email will be sent to your Google email account, the one you used to register the account. From there, you move straight to where your email is. You will see a link in there which is from KNUST admissions. You click on verify your email to verify your email. After clicking on this will bring you to the sign in page where you sign in with the email and password alone. After signing in, you come to this interface where we have two options for you to choose from. That is the Ghanaian applicant and international applicant. For this video, we will be going through the steps for Ghanaian applicant. A video will be provided for international applicants, which its link will be put in the description below. After selecting the Ghanaian applicant, you have two options again to choose from. Whether you want to buy the voucher and verify, or you already have the voucher, so you verify alone. When you click on buy voucher online, you will have other options to choose from, whether you are applying as an undergrad, a postgraduate, or a diploma. And also from there, you choose whether you want to be a regular stream student or a distance student. You choose which applies to you. Then you select the application form category which is available to you. And from the start, we selected undergrad, which is the only option available. With what you've selected, these are the available programs that you can do under the undergraduate form type that you select. So you can scroll through and know the kind of program that is available to you. For this video, we are interested in BSc Nursing. So once we search for BSc Nursing, we will notice whether it's available to us or not. Then we will go on and click on continue. You confirm your details, that's your email, the application form type category, the amount, and your phone number. Then we go to proceed. This will bring us to an interface where we will pay an amount allocated for the form. Right after that, we will go back and receive our voucher to continue the application. So you enter your phone number and confirm with a payment, or if you have a credit card that you can pay with, you can select the credit card option. Now let's go to the other side where we already have the voucher. So we will continue and go to verify voucher. You click on continue. We will enter the applicant's ID and the password. Then you go and select your application group, application type, and where you head the institution from. For some reasons, there are some part of these chapters in the application guide that we will be forwarding, so that we move on straight to the important part that you need to understand before you apply or submit your application. Once it opens, you notice we have a notification up there. The name entered here must be the same spelling and order as those used in your WASSCE results slip or certificate, or the one you use in registering or WAEC. We will forward the application process here in order to skip and move on to the most important part of this chapter. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you have any inquiry to make, you make sure you put it in the comment below so that we will be able to assist you. After uploading everything, we click on go to the next section, which is the educational parent and guidance information. Then we continue filling from there. At the educational background, We are allowed to add up to about 4 institutions, providing each their region, name, the program you pursued. After filling, you click on Next to move to the next section, which is the exams results. For the exams results, you notice we have an information up there which says you can provide up to 4 certificates. So you can add more results just like you added with your institutions. For each step, you add a score. Adding a score, you click on the button Add Subject Score. Then a new field will appear for you to select the program, the score that you had. After filling in with the scores that you had, then you can also go on and add another result if you have multiple results. If your result is awaiting, when you click on the results section where you select the grade, you notice we have awaiting. So if your result is an awaiting form result, then you click on awaiting. After filling in with the necessary details, you click on Next so that we can proceed to supporting document. Here, you can drag and drop if you are using a desktop version, where you select the certificate and you drop it into the field provided to upload the document. After it all, we come to the program choice. Here at the top side, you notice we have an info which says choose program you wish to pursue in order of preferences. Every program choice, choose the time stream. Kane is to provide you the flexibility of you choosing the time stream, whether you want regular, full-time or part-time. And also we have click here, which here is an embedded link that you use to download the cutoff point. We will move straight to the program choice, then we will select in order of our preferences. After, you'll be prompted to choose whether you would like to be considered as fee-paying applicant. So in case you don't meet the requirement for the program that you've selected, you'll be considered as a fee-paying and you might be given, though the requirement counts. Also, we have, do you want to be considered as a parallel? That's a part-time student. For part-time students, most of your lectures occurs in the evening, where you are given free time to go and work on your day-to-day activities. After filling in with that detail, you click on, then we move to our summary page, where you review whatever we've submitted during this application guide, and if every detail provided is correct and we do not wish to change anything, we proceed and go to submit application to submit our application. Though you are allowed to review and edit your application until the admission deadline is passed. Right after, you print your application. This brings us to the end of this application guide. Thank you very much for watching this, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.